Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Earth from the Landscapes blog. I'm at a project in Santa Ana designed by me, installed by Los Gatos Landscape, and I'm going to show you what the garden looks like after it's been installed. But before I do that, I make videos about drought tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, a bit of art, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Alright, let's do this. So in this planter, we kept the existing large shrub. All the planters are mulched using California Gold decomposed granite. This is a seaside daisy. The plant palette is seaside daisy, some dudleyas around the rocks. This is a sticks on fire, Hesperaloe parviflora red yucca. This, my favorite plant of all time, Gambilia gentiana Gran Cañon, Baja Bush Snapdragon. Limited plant palette, but small space anyway. These boulders are Baja Cresta from Southwest Boulder and Stone. The pavers are from a company called Arco. The pottery is from Orange County Succulents. And eventually the sticks on fire will get tall enough to add some colorful interest to this two posts. This was the homeowner's existing hummingbird feeder that we placed here so she can see it from either seating area. This existing concrete we left as is. It wasn't broken, there was no need to fix it. We didn't plant anything in here because it's just too narrow. And the sound you're hearing is the neighbor's dog whining. I think this looks really great. And what used to be here was artificial turf. So this is the backyard where Los Gatos installed the Orco pavers. This is just meant to be a little seating area underneath the tree. All the plants that you see here is existing. What was underneath the pavers was just lawn that we transformed.